our school, there are so many experiments, card games, board games, charts, and activities. It's fun and I love it.
When hands-on science started, Sir used to say, I hear, I forget. I see, I remember. I do, I understand. And it is actually true. Last week, I have done a lemon battery. And now I understand that how all batteries work.
Now my understanding of concept is better. Now I can relate what we learn in school to real life examples.
Earlier, doing homework was very boring. Writing the same stuff again and again. Now, thanks to hands-on science, we have so many interesting activities to do at home as homework.
I am more confident now. I think I can make anything now. One day I will invent something and make India proud.
We started our journey about a couple of years ago. We started to transform this school into an ideal school for practical education. We noticed their teaching methodology and transformed it into a practical learning framework. We started developing activities for their teachers and gave them these activities every week. The change was phenomenal. Basically, the teachers were very happy because they could now gauge that the students were learning, they were understanding concepts. And the students were obviously happy because they got to make stuff, they got to break stuff also, and at the end of the day, whatever they made, they got to take it home.
What I like about the hands-on science is that it beautifully complements the syllabus. Every week we have an activity to reinforce the topic we are teaching in the class.
We used to feel there was a gap between what we were teaching and what students actually learning, especially in science. But hands-on science have done wonders by filling in this gap. Now we are satisfied that the students are knowing the concept very well.
Hands-on science really drives children to use their brains to think. It makes them more attentive, creative and knowledgeable. This process helps them to understand the core concept of the topic so they really learn for life.
In every class, you will find few students who are a little mischievous. However, during activities, the same children perform well because the energies are put to proper use. So, managing a class during the activities become more easy.
A comparative analysis conducted between a batch of students learning by hands-on science methodology against another batch learning conventionally clearly shows that hands-on science increased their test scores by 20%. The class averages improved by 30%. We have defined 5 material-based teaching formats beyond the textbook. 1. Exhibits are set up in the school which are like the ones you would find in Nehru Science Center. 2. Demonstrative models are provided which teachers can use in the classroom. 3. Group activity kits are provided which children use in a group of 5 or 6. 4. Individual kits are provided which every child uses to make something and takes it home. And lastly, home play activity sheets are provided in form of a workbook which help children doing activities at home using very easily sourceable material.
All our activity sessions are well defined under the 5A approach. They start with a clear learning outcome under the aim, followed by the activity or the action part, as in what is to be done by the teacher and the child in the classroom. Then comes the analysis part, where children are given time to write, think, discuss and ponder about what happened and why it happened. Then the application part, where the teacher connects the activity performed with its real life examples. Finally, the assessment part, where the teacher assesses the child to gain a feedback to check if the concept has been understood or not.
The best part about hands-on science is that it can be used for any curriculum, whether you're in CBSE, IB, ICSE or even state board, because the way it's designed is to actually reinforce and enhance your conceptual understanding of science. So it does not matter what type of school you are or what board you're aligned to, this will work for you.
The best part about hands-on science program is the inbuilt easiness to implement it. Once the program was set up in the school, the science faculty held training for our teachers, which was really very impressive, and our teachers were all set for the program. Also, their monthly visits and continuous year-long support helped our teachers, our students and our school a lot.
At such economical fees, hands-on science has created wonders for the school in two areas. One, it has created real value for the school in what we deliver to the students. The positioning of the school itself has changed. Now we call it as School of Science. And number two, it has shown visible improvement in terms of students' understanding of the subject, the conceptual understanding, and it has shown improvement in the students' exams consistently. All the stakeholders involved are happy. We are happy parents, happy teachers, and as we say, happy students are always learning kids. Finally, it's a win-win situation for all involved.
It's a great initiative by the school. My daughter is in class 4 and I can really see the changes in her confidence level, the way she thinks, the way she conducts experiments at home and also explains the concepts.
My child really likes this practical session. Now every time we are planning a holiday, I have to ask her first because she don't want miss hands-on science.
I think this is exactly what we have been missing in our schooling system. This program actually trains children to think. I'm sure if hands-on science continues, we can expect more of Nobel Prizes coming for India. I wish we had this hands-on science during our schooling days too.